Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to show you how to tag another Instagram user on your Instagram story. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So Instagram tagging allows you to tag other Instagram users to give them recognitions, shoutouts, mention, or to answer a question. In this tutorial, I'll show you two ways to tag someone on your Instagram story. Let's open up your Instagram app, tap on the plus sign to post an Instagram story. Now here, I'll make this into a solid color. Then I'll select the text tool, type in the @ symbol, and then start to type in a username you want to tag in your post. As you start typing, you should see some accounts appear at the bottom. Select the account to tag in your Instagram story or continue to type as normal. So that is the first way of tagging someone on your Instagram story. You can do this multiple times. The second way of tagging someone on Instagram story is by tapping on the sticker icon. Then find the mention sticker and tap on it. Now here, type in the username which you want to mention in this post. Again, if you start typing, you'll see suggestions appear at the bottom. Either select it from the below or continue to type. You can follow this process several times and tag as many users as you like on your Instagram story. Once you've completed tagging everyone on the post, go ahead and post it on Instagram. And that is how to tag another user on your Instagram story. Hope you found this useful. If this video helped you out, then please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.